Hello everyone, today I'm doing the Great Kit Kat Extraordinaire YouTube video, and basically what it's going to be is me and my friend Nan are going to taste test a bunch of weird Kit Kat flavors. And just a little background information, for spring break I went to Japan to visit my family and it was so much fun. And one of the things about Japan is that they have really wacky Kit Kat flavors. So I went on this crazy hunt to try and find all the crazy flavors, and they sold different flavors at like just 7-Eleven or the supermarket, but we had to go to this specific mall area inside of a train station. I found this whole blog post online saying where the best places were, so we went to all these different places. We even went to the Kit Kat Cafe. Basically, it was a whole process, but we ended up finding all the crazy Kit Kats. And the thing is, they had a ton of different flavors, but it was pretty expensive and I wasn't about to spend like $100 on Kit Kats, so I got as many flavors as I thought was reasonable. I probably spent too much money on Kit Kats anyways, but more reasonable than buying every single flavor I saw. So without further ado, let's try them out. I'm super excited because I love Kit Kats and the flavors seem super weird. And to be honest, the dark chocolate Kit Kats and the green tea Kit Kats I have already eaten because I've been waiting to meet up with Nan to film this video. So the Kit Kats have just been sitting in my room. So literally the entire bag of chocolate Kit Kats are gone except for 2 of them for the video. So good job, self-control. Good job, Izzy. Okay, let's get on with the taste. Hello, we are Kit Katting.
We're Kit Katting. Finally.
It's been
many months.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Do you want to use it? She's gonna plug her channel while I'm plugging my channel. So I just started a YouTube channel. Nan Ben, that's me. My first video is gonna be a get to know me tag / 50 questions about me. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
I already ate these.
I see.
Yeah, I already know how these taste.
Okay.
But this is like the
Ready?
warm-up Kit Kat because it's dark chocolate, you know? It's good.
It's really good.
It's dark chocolate. Isn't that good? Okay, what would you rate it?
10.
Yeah.
That's a solid
It's a
10 for me. Yeah.
It's chocolate. You can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong with dark chocolate.
Next
Matcha.
is matcha.
I'm very excited for matcha.
Ready?
Right.
This one's a lot sweeter, which makes sense because dark chocolate.
Also, it's very green.
She's green, she's
A machine.
a machine. I'm gonna give it a 7 because it's really sweet and I don't like it.
I'm giving it like a 9.5.
A 9 because the dark chocolate's still my favorite.
The dark chocolate's my favorite, but I really like the matcha because I love matcha. So
You love it so much.
I love it so matcha.
I really know.
Like tell
Yeah, I don't know what
it is.
It's got like a cute little maple leaf design. She's filled with something a little, I think it's filled with beans. Oh wait, that's,
It's like purple.
it's filled with something purple on the inside. It
Yeah.
smells, oh it smells bad.
It smells like dust.
Ew, why does it smell like? I don't know what I'm eating. It tastes like dirt.
Yeah, a 4
A 4.
because it's not terrible, and I feel like there's gonna be something worse.
That's fair. Okay, that's fair. It's not like, I wouldn't not eat it. Okay, I'll give it a 4. That's
Yeah.
fair. This one I also don't know what it is.
It's like it's ube.
Oh, do you think so?
Yeah,
Is that how you pronounce it?
yeah,
Ube, ube?
ube.
Look, it matches your nails. Exactly.
Whoa,
Wow.
smells good.
It tastes kind of soapy.
It's like it's floral.
Yeah. It's not bad. Actually pretty good.
A 7.
I'd give it a 7, yeah.
I would give it a 7 because I gave the matcha a 9.5.
Okay, so to you that one's worse than the matcha?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so these ones are like special, and you know they're special
Because they say
special. Yeah, is strawberry maple. I feel like this one's gonna be the best one.
Yeah, this one's so good.
I feel like my brother would like this one.
I can't open it. It's really pretty too.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a pastel pink.
She's kind of smaller than the other ones.
Oh.
That's so good. 10.
10. That's so good.
It tastes exactly how you would expect. It's like strawberry.
Maple.
10.
Yeah.
Okay, well that was a brief intermission because people kept walking in, so. Where were we?
Okay, we were at butter. Because we did the strawberry maple,
That
which
one
was
was
a
so
10.
good. Yeah.
It was so good.
A 10. I feel like this is gonna be, like, is it gonna be sweet if it's butter?
I think it's gonna be good because I eat butter like plain.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It smells
That smells
good
like
to me.
butter.
It smells like popcorn, like buttered popcorn.
It smells kind of cheesy.
Tastes like
I
butter.
hate it.
I love it.
I hate it.
I love it.
It tastes like butter.
Yeah.
Wait, how do they do that?
And I love it.
It's sweet, but it doesn't taste like white chocolate. It tastes like butter.
An 8.
An 8?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can't keep track of what we rated everything. I'm gonna give it a 5. Like I would eat it again, but it's not like, I'm not a fan. Okay, the lady at the store was super, she's like, these are limited edition. She was hyping them up. Something about the ruby cacao bean. We don't know. Yeah. This one was the most expensive and it's tiny. So
Yeah.
I'm kind of nervous. It's one Kit Kat.
It's a single Kit Kat.
Okay, it better be worth it. Wait.
I cannot tell what that flavor is and if I like it or whether I like it.
Yeah, I don't know.
It has like a tangy sort of sweet and sour taste.
Okay, you know how like chocolate tastes and then coffee tastes? I feel like it's like another category. But
Yeah.
it's bitter.
It's bitter but also sweet,
Sweet.
and tangy and sour. It's just
Okay,
not
wait, what
quite.
would you rate this? I'm gonna say 4.5.
Yeah, same. Because I would eat it again, but I wouldn't
Reach for it.
reach for it. Exactly.
Like I would reach for the butter over that. Okay, so the butter's like a 6. No one cares what the ratings are. But in my heart, that's what
in
I'm
our heart,
Yeah.
this is what we care about. Okay, which one next? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one looks the most appetizing to me.
It looks like a chocolate sandwich.
It does. Like that
But it's
bread.
mean.
That bread looks so toasted. Like the perfect level of toasted.
Again, there's a dustiness to it.
She's dust. I think because the other one had bean in it too. But I think if you gave this to someone and you didn't tell them what it was, they would just think they were eating a Kit Kat that went bad.
You're right.
Right? That's what it tastes like.
I'm actually really excited for this.
I feel like, how spicy? Is it gonna be sweet? Because it's obviously gonna be spicy because it's wasabi.
I feel like it will also be sweet because it's like a milk chocolate. I mean, it's a white chocolate that's green. It's
This
a
is-
really pretty color
yeah.
green though.
This is pretty. Sorry, I ran out of storage, so I had to. Okay, we're about to try wasabi.
Ready?
That's good.
Yeah. It's not spicy, it just tastes like wasabi.
Wait, that's so good.
It's sweet wasabi.
Oh my god.
We saved it for a second to last week. That was okay, bro.
That's like a 9.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because the outside just tastes sweet, and then the inside has like that undertone of wasabi, but it's not like super spicy.
Like, you know wasabi peas?
Yeah.
But how they're like spicy? It tastes like wasabi peas, but without the spice.
That's so good. Okay, if you're ever in Japan, get the wasabi ones. They aren't gross, they're good.
They're really good, actually. Finally,
Best for last.
sake.
She's sophisticated.
Has some Japanese We can't even open it because we're children. Oh, it smells like sake.
That's,
Yeah, it's not a great smell. It's gross.
It's disgusting.
I hate that.
I feel like I can't think of anyone who would enjoy this.
My mother.
Would she?
She likes sake.
Do you want to take him back to her?
Maybe.
Someone's gonna eat them.
I would say a 1.
I'd say a 2. Like, cause it's not like I'm not spitting it out of my mouth. You know?
In conclusion,
Should we just say our favorite and our least favorite? Okay, my favorite is strawberry maple. It tastes like, you know, Nesquik, strawberry Nesquik. It kind of tastes like that. I'm gonna save these and bring them for my brother, Vincent, if you're watching. They're coming for you.
my favorites, strawberry maple and matcha.
Okay.
Most surprising,
Most surprising, hands down, wasabi.
100.
Cause it's good. This one's really good.
My most surprising was wasabi and butter. Oh no.
Just spill all
Because
of
I
it.
actually really liked it.
Honestly, I think my least favorite had to be this one because she tasted dusty and too sweet. Two things I don't want in my Kit Kat. So.
I really can't tell this one or this one more because this one was pretty bad.
Yeah.
I didn't like the dusty plus the like normal chocolate.
Wait, no, I take it back. The sake is the worst one. I just got like an aftertaste of it in my mouth. Yeah, that
and
was
this
the worst
one is like making me nauseous still.
Yeah. Okay, so in conclusion, Kit Kats are good. We already knew that.
Go to Japan.
Yeah, go to Japan, check them out. 10 out of 10 recommend. And it's been a fun time.
I will be in Japan this summer.
Check out her channel. Don't forget to check out her channel. Also, I need to say, I have a bunch of vlogs filmed and I just haven't edited stuff. I think I'm gonna edit this and put it up in the next couple days. But after that, it might be a while because it's finals week and I'm busy. So I'm really sorry I haven't been consistent with posting, but there's a ton of stuff I need to do before I move out and leave. And it's all like good stuff. It's exciting stuff, but you'll hear about it soon. So,
Get pumped.
get pumped. I'm hyped.
Seriously? Like,
I'm so
y'all don't
excited.
even know what's
Yeah.
coming.
We're going. Thank you for watching.
Peace and love. Subscribe, like, comment.
Thanks for watching.